Hey everyone! Today we compiled a list of some eye-catching gadgets that are also extremely functional for everyday life. We got some truly amazing items here that are holographic and floating, and let's just say boosted with alien-level audio. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around to the end. Let's get right into it. BASEIN Electric Heated Blanket. If you can't bear being chilly when lying in bed or sitting on the couch, an electric blanket is a must-have in your house. These soft blankets may be used on the sofa, in the bedroom, or everywhere in between to keep you cuddly and warm even on the harshest winter days. Furthermore, the greatest heated blankets may function as beautiful additions to boost your home decor, a win-win situation. This flannel blanket is ultra-safe with CE and GS certification. The heating coil is covered by PVC insulating layer, and it automatically turns off after 9 hours. No worries while using it when you sleep. You can wrap yourself in it while the buttons on it will keep it from slipping. Just cozily enjoy the comfort and warmth while reading, working, or sleeping. It also has adjustable heat and auto-off function, where you can choose between 10 switchable temperatures ranging from 96 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And oh, the best thing, this blanket is safely machine washable. You just have to remove the remote controller. Desk Foot Hammock. Are you experiencing lumbar, back, neck, or shoulder pain? Spending too much time in front of a laptop or monitor, whether at work or at home, can cause lower back pain and thigh and calf stiffness due to unsupported feet. The foot hammock can assist you. It has ergonomic broad straps and a triangle frame. It may be used with or without a side apron and is suitable for most desk types, with a maximum bearing weight of 100 kilograms. The foot hammock beneath desk may be also utilized in the car and on planes. It may be rolled up and tied with its straps to fit into every carry-on luggage or backpack. And with super lightweight, it's a breeze to carry anyplace. 3 colors are available: orange, green, and black. Because of the soft and non-abrasive fabric, you may work while keeping your legs up for lengthy periods of time. ROKR Perpetual Calendar. The ROKR Perpetual Calendar is a beautiful piece of art. This weird gadget appears to be one of Da Vinci's famous inventions, but it is simply only a calendar, and it is a self-assembly design, so everyone could just feel like a genius. Get the precise date within 2018 and 2040 in the most elegant manner. With 26 pieces, it is perfect for an afternoon project. Get it for yourself, give it as a gift, or build it with your loved ones. The puzzle isn't very challenging. Its 1-star level of difficulty make it an ideal choice for any craft lover, and all the pieces are accurately laser cut, and every number is visible when everything is put together, so it accomplishes its function flawlessly. Please don't tell me that you already have a calendar on your phone, because this 3D wooden puzzle calendar can indicate the year, month, day, and week from past and the future. It will surely make an elegant home decor for office or desk. TAOTRONICS Electric Heater. It's so essential to feel cozy and warm when it's chilly outside. With this little yet powerful TAOTRONICS space heater, you can beat the winter chill. You may enjoy pleasing warmth in only a few seconds thanks to ceramic heating elements, and 1500 watts of electricity and 65-degree oscillation gives a 20% larger heating spectrum to heat yourself and your family without wasting heat. Turns off automatically after 2 minutes, or may be turned off manually by pushing the oscillation button for 3 seconds. Ultra quiet performance that will keep you warm while allowing you to focus in the workplace or sleep through the night. Inbuilt carry handles allow you to move the heater to any space where you need extra warmth. In eco mode, the heater will monitor the temperature in your bedroom and automatically adjust the output to keep you comfortable while potentially saving you money on energy costs. To check out the gadget, we have included the link for you guys in the description. Magnetic Levitation Earth Globe. Even in the era of the internet, where you don't need physical maps, globes remain a stylish interior decor, particularly this one since it can float in the air. This levitating effect is created by a complicated magnetic system. This globe continuously revolves in the air, inspiring wonder and amazement. It simply takes a few minutes to complete the installation, which is really easy. Simply plug the gadget in and try to position the globe over the base. It also supports auto-spinning inductive system. Even with the base rotated upside down or sideways, the globe will float, maintaining a steady suspension in the air. With its small size, the globe is small enough to fit on your desk or coffee table. The book-shaped base looks nice, can be used as a home or office decoration, and help encourage people to learn the word geographic. You can also utilize the built-in LED light to transform the globe into a stylish night lamp. The device is composed of tough plastic that is totally washable. Keep a bit of magic close by your side. UGEARS Model Safe Kit. Here are some wooden models that, if you really like the calendar, you might find entertaining. The kit is a three-dimensional wooden puzzle composed of strong plywood and birch. Making the safe is challenging and may take several hours depending on your speed and patience. When you're completed, you'll have a safe place to store valuables as well as the satisfaction of creating a one-of-a-kind artwork. The 260 components are laser cut for accuracy, so your pieces will fit together perfectly to be engineered. This gadget is not only functional and fun, but it's designed beautifully too. Display a truly unique wooden piece on your desk, shelf, or nightstand. UGEARS Dream Cabriolet. Next is a fantastic classic cabriolet which comes with 740 components, and all these tiny elements are functional. When you open the package containing your new model kit, your adventure begins. This is when you will notice the lovely scent of genuine wood, which will stay with you throughout the assembling, testing, and playing process. The model's distinctive appeal stems from both its remarkable technical capabilities and its highly realistic retro design. GRAVASTAR Venus Bluetooth Speakers. Welcome to Sci-Fi Universe, where a new piece of extraterrestrial technology has just arrived on Earth and looks so adorable. Despite its small size, the GRAVASTAR Venus Bluetooth 5.0 speaker in shadow black produces a powerful all-around sound. The wireless speaker features a 10-hour battery life, 6 RGB lights, and weighs only 1 pound, making it suitable for your room. Compact size doesn't mean compact sound. The Venus Bluetooth speaker includes innovative DSP audio algorithms that provide amazing sound and raw strength in terms of playback quality, transforming any room into a party. The industrial design introduces you to a futuristic world by combining technology with mecha sci-fi. The wireless speaker is made of a zinc alloy sphere with a triangular shape for stability. The GRAVASTAR's 6 RGB lights will get the party started. You may change the tone of your room with a single touch by choosing different colors. Oh, and I nearly forgot to mention that you can link 2 Venus speakers to create a powerful immersive sound. Go crazy! LIFX Color A19E26. Have you heard about smart lights but have been put off by electrical engineers? Meet LIFX Color A19. The LIFX Color A19 is the brightest LIFX product, packing a serious 1100 lumen punch. This light has billions of colors as well as a wide cool to warm white spectrum. And for anyone who loves an upgrade, take advantage of endless integration options. Don't worry, you don't have to commit to a hub or a whole house setup with the LIFX. Instead, you may keep things basic or gradually improve your home. Set your light to automatically mirror daylight, beginning with dazzling whites in the morning and gradually dimming to warm ambers as the day progresses. It works with Amazon Alexa to support dimming, shades of white, and color settings through voice control. You may select a flame, flicker, or move mode, target certain lights, group them, and store them as favorites. Why not give it a go right now? ROKR 3D Wooden Puzzles Marble Run Set. Finally, have a look at this fantastic marble machine. In this case, create a 254-piece 3D wooden puzzle marble run set complete with a large water wheel lifter and funnel track. The 3D wooden puzzle requires logic, creativity, and hand-eye coordination. It's a little difficult, but after you finish it, it's quite fantastic. Which model do you consider to be the most beautiful? NIXIE Tube Watch N16 Steampunk. Let's take steampunk to the next level with this watch, which mixes old technology with a modern premium design. If classic watches don't really work for you and you prefer horological creations, then this is just a watch for you. The NIXIE watch by Gelfman is representative of the distinctive appearance and attitude, and is not afraid to experiment with retrofuturism, cyberpunk, and post-apocalyptic watches. The watch includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 320 mAh that can operate the watch for up to 5 days on a single charge. It has over 100 high-end electrical components and is housed in a hand-polished stainless steel casing. Comes with a magnetic USB charging cord for charging your watch with any smartphone charger. Furthermore, this cable entirely eliminates charging port wear, which is important. The visual effects of the time display, NIXIE tube's brightness, tube's backlight, hours and minutes display time, and many others may be adjusted using a computer. Oh, and because the watch's chemical components are so delicate, you'll get a lifetime guarantee on it and all of its parts. New HIYA Star Wars 3D Nightlight. Star Wars themed items seem something from the future. As a result, the built-in holographic technology in this Death Star night lamp creates a 3D illusion. The built-in LEDs, which can support 16 color changing in 3 modes, you can choose different modes and colors depending on your mood or the surrounding. The brightness and color of night lights can be adjusted by remote control and touch. The Star Wars nightlight can be fixed in static or gradient color. It is a powerful device which offers up to 10,000 hours of runtime. If you'd rather have a glowing buddy, there's a similar lamp that features the iconic hero from the Star Wars universe, R2-D2. It offers attractive visual effects that makes it an ideal decoration.